Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to manage your screen time on TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Go to your profile. Click on the three horizontal lines from the screen's top right corner. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the Digital Wellbeing option under the Content and Activity section. Tap on it. You will see the daily screen time at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now, tap on Daily Time. And choose the time limit you want. Once you choose the time limit, go back to the previous screen. Then tap on Turn On from the bottom of your screen. Set a passcode, and tap on Next. Now confirm your passcode and tap on Set. And you will manage your screen time on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and now you can manage your screen time on TikTok. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.